Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Maria Cristina Antonio Negro. I am 31 years old. I live in Porocot Surang, Ibanibane, Davao Oriental. I am single.
Do you have kids?
No.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 8 siblings. I am fifth order in the family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate. I didn't enter the college because my parents cannot afford the tuition fee.
How do you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, loyal, patient, open-minded, and happy person.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is one of the best country to work and they have a great policies.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong, start from July 2023 to July 2026. I serve one elderly woman, 84 years old. My main duty is cooking, cleaning, ironing, hand washing clothes, marketing, and help take good care of the take good care of her.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of a healthy elderly person?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of children and newborn babies?
Yes.
Are you willing, what will you do if the baby will cry?
I check the baby if he or she is sick or hungry.
What will you do if the children are naughty and will not listen to you?
I can handle things, but I can't explain.
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I just focus my work and listening music to ease my homesickness.
Do you have the full consent of your family?
Yes.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
Just send financial support.
Are you willing to share room with children, elderly, or other helpers?
Yes.
Are you willing to work during your rest and employer will pay us overtime?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during your working hours?
No. Yes.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Please sing a nursery song.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay. Do you know how to swim?
Yes.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverages?
No.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Do you have any tattoo?
No.
Do you have food allergy?
No.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes.
Do you have surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No.
Are you special under medication right now?
No.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes.
Please give a message to your future employer.
To my future employer, I would like to say that I love to be your helper. I promise that I can take good care of your home and your family. Thank you.